Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. A lot of people probably have just bought a lock from Bunnings and they're wondering how do we get this lock on the door or the old lock off the door. Now there is a trick with these type of locks and I'm going to show you how to do it. This is your lock right here. What you need to do is go to the inside. Now you might have screws on either side which you can just undo. And for this type of lock we don't have screws. So what you have to do is try and find a little circle, if I can show you here, a little circle right about there. Then we need to rotate the handle until we can see there's a little button inside there. Sometimes you have to turn it on the side, sometimes you have to turn it this way, but what you're looking for is a little different button, different color button. Once you find the button, then what you're going to need is what we call a spike tool. You can use a skewer or a nail or something along these lines, and you go through and you depress that button and then pull your knob off. Once the knob comes off, go to the back of the lock. Sometimes they're a push-on fitting where you can get just a flat blade screwdriver and prise them up. Other times they're a screw-on fixture, like this one. You remove this part here, and then you can get to the screws on the inside. One, two. You remove these two screws. You remove the lock from the door, okay, leaving your latch. At this time it's very important you do not close the door. If you close the door you can get stuck. You remove your latch and there you have it. Your lock is now dismantled from the door. You repeat the process in the opposite direction to refit the lock to the door. If this has been helpful, would appreciate a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.